connector, so if the amps do get hot now, I can put one back here and pull amps.
There you go.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Check out my newest thing.
Wow.
Air conditioning.
Whoa, that's cool. A portable AC system.
It has a thermal.
Genius.
So it runs through it.
Yeah.
Rolls out cold air.
Oh, wow. So you use that for your cabin or for your amps?
Right now, I just have it in the cabin. I'm testing it right now. I just got it last week. But then I have like a...
How does it control moisture if you did it on the amps?
No moisture. Because it's going through a heat exchange.
Okay, got it.
Yep, so it just goes through there. There's a water pump down there that cycles it. And it
That's
blows
cool. Yeah, that's going to be a new thing for people.
A white connector, so if the amps do get hot now, I can put one back here and pull amps.
There you go. Wow.
I added all the fans.
That looks good.
Fannies.
Yeah. Nice. All right. I feel it. It's crazy. So what's your name here? What's in here?
Peter.
I
have 415 Fi SP4Pluses. They're on two B2 audio Ospreys, 8Ks. Then a bunch of PRB mids and highs.
Nice. And what is your box tuned to on this?
It is at 33.
33, okay. Wow.
I had a buddy change it a little bit. He shrunk it a tiny bit, just from the bottom. Put in another board down there.
Yeah.
Just to play around.
Just a little bit of reduced port area.
Yeah.
What's your SPL score on it now?
Well, with the windshield is now given, you'll see.
Yes.
The last one was 158.9 at 16,600 watts.
Wow. Man, that 60's coming. You've already broken it before, I'm sure.
If I can, I'll have to reseal. I want to reseal the windshield and see what it does.
Otherwise, it'll just pop. Yeah.
Baby, now you have it. Now you got the baddest. Show me you could handle this. ain't never had it. Got fees on the bag with the bag. You ain't never had it. Sending on the G with the sailor on the back.
Really good bandwidth for a flat wall too. Yeah, it's nice. And definitely this right here, it feels like it might crack if you hit a certain point. Yeah, definitely, man. Wow. Awesome job. Thank you very much. Your name?
Peter.
Peter. Jacob. Thank you, Peter, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for the demo.
No problem. Ooh.